All right, everyone, we're at the famous Davenport Skybridge here in Davenport, Iowa. These are some Otis hydraulic elevators. I already saw the exterior. It's kind of cool looking. It looked like a spaceship. And I believe these were installed in the late 90s. It does smell like weed in here. Not surprising. Alright, here, look at this. You see, I saw this from the outside. I was like, whoa, this thing is like cool. And apparently this was at one point you could see all the way down, but they glazed it off. And here's the outside. And apparently there's an elevator in that shaft, but I don't know what the hell's in there. Actually, no, I've been in that elevator. That's the Redstone building. It just has some Otis elevators. I'm guessing they removed the elevator that was in that shaft. And here's the elevator shaft. You know what? We'll take a quick walk over the Sky Bridge here. Reminds me of like an airport jet bridge. And as you can see, we were just all the way over there at one point. Now we're all the way over here. Ooh, I like this. This is a cool lobby. Oh, I don't like this though setup. I kind of wish the doors were kind of higher. Kind of strange. And also look, it's the early 90s type of cold one. Here's this one. Not much different. Well, this one's a Veep. You can see an Otis door operator up there. Okay. I'm gonna go to. This smells like a Swedish elevator. I think they're building something here. Let's go back up the Sky Bridge. We'll switch cars. It's downstairs. While we wait, let's call this one up. Take a look out here. It's closed today. You see, that's the outside. Is this even working? It doesn't seem like it. Yeah, it's not working. Okay. We're gonna go back. Are we back at the elevators? Oh! I think it's a 1.8 retraction. Interesting. Okay, we're gonna go back down on these. These buttons are disgusting. There it goes. That was this Davenport Skybridge, everyone.